Contraception helps to prevent pregnancies and sexually transmitted diseases. Hormonal contraceptions. They are 100% efficient to prevent unwanted pregnancies, but they do not protect against sexually transmitted diseases. For further information, please contact your nearest family planning center. Pills, birth control patch, IUD, contraceptive subcutaneous implants. They will not make you infertile when you stop using them. Condoms. They are useful to prevent unwanted pregnancies, and they're the only way to protect from sexually transmitted diseases. After a non-protected sexual intercourse, you can take the morning after pill to reduce the probability of getting pregnant. That pill must be taken within 12 to 24 hours after sex. If you are over 18, you can buy them at the drugstore. But if you are under 18, you must go to the family planning center, to the gynecological emergency, or call the emergency medical services to have a medical prescription. Some doctor may refuse to give you a medical prescription, but they must show you the nearest place where to have it. To know if you are pregnant, you must do a pregnancy test. You can buy them at a drugstore or at the supermarket. In Italy, you have the right to interrupt your pregnancy within 90 days from the day of the last menstruation. You can do that at the family planning center or go to the gynecologist. There are two ways to abort. Surgical abortion. It is made throughout surgical operation under anesthetic. Medical abortion. You will have to take 2 medicines. If you get pregnant and you don't have a residence permit, you must go to the gynecological emergency whether you want to keep your baby or not. Even if you don't have the residence permit, they will take care of you.